Hey there, today we're going to look at how to make an e-signature in Canva easy step-by-step guide. So let's get started. First, open the Canva homepage. Over here, type signature logos in the search box. Then browse through the ready-made templates and choose the design you like. After that, delete any pages you don't want. Now, replace the old name in the template with your own name. Then, enlarge the text as you like. When you finish your design, click the Share button at the top. After that, click on Download. Then select Transparent Background if you want to save your signature image without a white background. Now let's look at another way to create a signature in Canva. Open a new design. Then click on the Draw option on the left side. Over here, a bar with different pens will appear. Using one of these pens, draw your signature. After that, enlarge the signature size as you wish. Finally, click on the Share button at the top and download your signature image. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.